Good afternoon. Our team has chosen the topic of golden opportunity in Ghana. This is for a company called Newmont, which is the world's largest producer, miner of gold. Ghana, which is a poor African country which has a sizable gold reserve. The maximum gold reserves after South Africa, and gold has traditionally been mined in Ghana by small scale and illegal miners, which is in an uncontrolled way. But with widespread unemployment and rural poverty, the unprecedented growth in illegal mining has increased. Day by day it is being increased. But then Ghana has reserves but less technical know-how to how to mine the gold with the latest technology and the required finances to for those projects. So recently Ghana has laid out policies in support of large-scale miners, the multinational companies, so that they can bring in the required resources and technology to mine gold, and in a way it will also help the Ghana, the government and their community. They awarded multiple concession contracts to large-scale multiple companies. Then this is a typical gold mining process. The process involves multiple stages, but in a way it is also affecting the local community by deforestation, water quality impairment issues, mining waste, and the most important one is the mercury. It has a process where mercury is used to filter out the gold, and the local miners use this mercury, whereas the latest technology, they don't use mercury, they have some other technology, so that the usage of mercury is less. So the local miners use most of the mercury.
So Newmont has been awarded 3 lease contract. This contract is basically concession type contract, and government has only allotted land, and everything, development of mines, everything will be taken care of the company. And in exchange of that, government will earn the royalty and also the export fee. So the 3 projects, Ahapu, Naim and Akem was awarded. Ahapu was awarded, and 2006 they have started mining, and there was problem in Naim and Akim project. Naim and Akim is in proximity, and what was the problem they are facing? Naim, there was 30,000 illegal miner. They have encroached in the Naim project. Naim, its land was small compared to the Akim project, and the government was responsible for removing the encroachment, but government is really failed there. They have done nothing to remove the encroachment. So, and in the Akem project, in between what happened, the government has been changed, and their policy has been changed, and Akem land has been covered in the reserve forest area, and environmental protection agency has not been clear in the environment clearance. So as they are not getting the environmental protection agency clearance, so their funding, international funding agency has not been sanctioning the loan. So they have option, or already they have invested huge amount in the Akem project, so they are more concerned about to continue to get the clearance from the EPA agency and start the mining. So next, what the problem?
So basically there are 3 parties involved in this particular negotiation process. First is Newmont company, which is a multinational company which is in US based, and they got the opportunity to mine in Ghana. The BATNA for this particular company is to ask the government to compensate for the investment which they have made in Akem project, because they are not able to mine in that particular project because of environmental non-clearance of environmental norms. Second party involved is the local community, which they are doing the illegal mining in that particular area. So how to deal with that? Newmont would like to bring that particular area in their control, so that they can do the mining in legal way and pollution and other issues can be resolved. Third is the government agency. There was an earlier agency which has awarded the clearance of the Akem project, but due to the new government which came in recently, the environment ministry has put a hold on that particular project. So government agency now they are trying to protect the environment, and they are not allowing the mining process to begin in the Akem project. So we have listed down some of the negotiation process which we will be detailing in our detailed report on submission. Newmont has put a step forward in which they have acknowledged on their website about the importance of the environment.
Yeah, good. Yeah, this process analysis is something which needs to come in the, okay, yeah.
Parties